jump on the bar, ready to crush pull-ups, and then nothing happens. Your arms shake, and you're basically just hanging there like laundry on a windy day. Yep, you're probably making these 5 deadly pull-up mistakes. 1. Weak grip. Holding the bar like a teacup. Stop. Death grip it. Thumbs wrapped. Fingers squeezing like your ego depends on it, because it does. 2. Bad form. Elbows shooting sideways like you're signaling a plane. Shoulder pain incoming. Keep them tucked slightly. Protect your joints. 3. Half reps. Chin barely touching the bar. Lats are crying. Go full range. Dead hang to chin over bar to slow descent. No shortcuts. 4. Swinging. Unless you're in a gymnastic circus, stop. Smooth, controlled motion builds real strength. Momentum isn't your friend. 5. Skipping progressions. Can't do a pull-up yet? Don't cheat. Use negatives, band-assisted, or chin-ups, but do them intentionally. Every rep teaches your muscles to lift you, not gravity. Fix your grip. Stop swinging. Go full range. Do it right. And you're no longer the laundry on a windy day. You're the monster everyone stares at in the gym. Now stop watching and go prove it on the pull-up bar.